How to enable full screen music art on your lock screen of iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable full screen music art on your lock screen of iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us get started. First of all, head over to your Spotify. After you head over to your Spotify, simply play a music that you want. After you start playing the music, simply turn off your mobile phone and turn it back on. So after you turn on your mobile phone, you'll notice that there is your full screen music art. Now, if you don't want this anymore, simply tap on the music arts album and it will go away. Now, if you want that again, simply tap on the album again and it will come back. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you do it. And that is all for today's video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.